In this video, we will show you how to set up the RTK-GB10 series for RTK base station. Here is the product and its accessories. Now let's take a closer look at the product. Starting with the front of the device, you'll notice 4 indicator lights and a power button. Moving to the back of the device, you'll find 3 interface and 3 key components. Start assembling the RTK-GB10-4B now. And Bluetooth antenna. 10 million cable for antenna. 4G-LTE antenna. This device uses a nano SIM card. Please make sure the card is facing the correct direction before insertion to prevent system issues or damage to the card slot. USB cable. A Type-C charging cable is provided with a voltage of 5 volts and 2 amps. A charger must be purchased separately. Once assembly is complete, please press the power button. The antenna for satellite signal reception is recommended to place under open sky environment for best performance. You can install the antenna on the rooftop or the car roof. Please avoid following areas to place your antenna. Electrical environment or machines may also affect the signal reception for antenna. Please download the app from the link below the video. Supports Android operating system versions 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now let's start using the app. Open the RTK-GB10-4B app. Click the Bluetooth icon button. Open the Bluetooth function window. Click RTK-GB10-4B device. After the link is successful, it will automatically return to the main window. Click the browser icon button. Open the browser. You can choose to use an external browser or the built-in browser of the app to open the Onakoi website. You can choose to open the Explore base station service. Log in, register. Click the base station. Data has not been transferred yet. Click the base station icon button. Open the base station setting window. Click the question mark icon button. Open Onakoi's base station creation and other related instructions. Manually enter the mount point and password, and also choose whether to enable the settings. You can set data to the RTK-GB10-4B device via Bluetooth. After the base station setting is completed, you can go to the main window to open the Bluetooth connection window and click on the connected RTK-GB-104B to disconnect the Bluetooth connection. Click the base station. Data is being transmitted. After we complete the setting, press and hold the reset button for 1 second to reboot the RTK-GB10. The device will save the current setting, then reboot after pressing reset button. Now you can close the app and let the device run automatically. RTK-GB10 is not waterproof. To ensure its longevity and optimal performance, always place the device in a safe, cool, and dry area. The error light is displayed in red. For more information and technical support, please contact your local distributor.